Good morning, children. My name is B. Ravindra Reddy. I am working at Government High School Siddipet, Parpalli Street. So we are at what acids and bases. We completed what till today what 21 concepts or 21 classes, 21 lectures we completed. We are at what lecture number 22. That is what uses of acids and bases. Uses of what acids and bases. We will discuss only what some of the acids which are more important and some of the bases which are more important towards laboratory and as well as what in our daily life. So under that what uses of what acids, first one let we take first acid as what sulfuric acid. What is the formula of sulfuric acid? H2SO4. It is called as what lead acid also. That means what it is prepared in what lead chamber method, hence it is called as lead acid. And as well as what it is called as what king of chemicals, and where we are used what this sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid is majorly used in the manufacture of fertilizers. It is used what in manufacture of fertilizers. Fertilizers. We are used in the manufacture of fertilizers, as well as what it is used what so in car batteries, bike batteries, vehicles, lorry batteries. So in that what batteries we are used what sulfuric acid, and it is used in order to prepare so dyes and what drugs and what pesticides. It is used to what prepare dyes, drugs and pesticides. Dye means what? Color. Dye means what? Colors. Drugs means what? The chemicals which are used in order to what decrease or diagnose the diseases. They are called as what drugs. Pesticides means what? The what chemicals which are used in order to control the pests. They are called as what pesticides. And it is used what in plastics also. Plastics industry also we are used in order to prepare what detergents also. We are what used sulfuric acid. So enough, these three what uses are enough in order to what get good marks in the examinations. Next one is hydrochloric acid, where we are used hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used in the what tinning industry and as what galvanizing industry in order to what cleaning the metal surfaces, after what some chemical reactions are takes place. So cleaning the metal surfaces, it is used for what? Yet in which industry? Galvanizing industry and tinning industry. It is used to what clean the metal surfaces. Next one, it is used in dyeing industry also, color industry also. It is used in what dyeing industry, color industry. It is used in what dyeing industry or color industry, as well as what it is used to prepare glucose and starch. It is used to prepare what glucose and what starch in the laboratory. So these are the what main chemical uses of what hydrochloric acid. Nitric acid HNO3. Nitric acid is what? HNO3. It is used to what manufacture, or it is used to what manufacture the fertilizers. And what ammonium nitrate and calcium ammonium nitrate. Calcium ammonium nitrate. So these are the what fertilizers. Which we are used in our what daily life by the farmers. So next one, what it is used to prepare explosives. It is used to prepare what? Explosives. It is used to prepare for which explosives? TNT, trinitrotoluene, and TNG, trinitroglycerine and trinitrotoluene. These are the what so explosive materials. In order to prepare these explosive materials, we are used what nitric acid. And as well as what it is used to, used to purification. It is used to what purification of so gold and what silver. It is used to what purify the gold and silver from its what ores or the minerals. So this is the what about these are the uses of what about nitric. Next one, phosphoric acid, H3PO4. H3PO4. Phosphoric acid is used to what in phosphorus fertilizers. To prepare, it is used to prepare phosphorus fertilizers like what, calcium phosphate, calcium phosphate. Next one, so MAP, monoammonium phosphate, DAP, diammonium phosphate, TAP, triammonium phosphate, MAP, DAP and TAP. In order to prepare what these fertilizers, we are used what, phosphoric acid. Next one, carbonic acid, where we are used carbonic acid in soft drink, aerated drinks. That means what, in soda water, cool drinks, we are used what, carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is used. Next one, acetic acid. Acetic acid is used to preserve the food items. It is used to the preserve the what, food items. We are used what, acetic acid. Next one, tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is used to make baking soda. Actually what, in our 10th standard level, baking soda is used as basic. Baking soda is what, chemical name of baking soda just we called as what, sodium bicarbonate. But actually what, the baking soda is a mixture. It is the what, a mixture of sodium bicarbonate and as well as what, sodium potassium tartarate. Sodium potassium tartarate. Uses of bases. Uses of bases. So NaOH, first one is what, sodium hydroxide. Where we are used the sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide we are used, sodium hydroxide we are used in the manufacture of soaps, manufacture of what, soaps and vegetable oils. It is used in the manufacture of soap industry as well as what, vegetable oils in vegetable oils industries. Next one, NaOH is used in paper industry. Paper industry, in order to boil the wood pulp. It is used in the paper industry in order to boil the water, wood pulp. Wood pulp. Next one, sodium hydroxide. Next what use of sodium hydroxide is, we are used sodium hydroxide, so it is used to prepare artificial fiber. Artificial fiber. It is used to prepare what, artificial fibers such as what, rayon and what, nylon. Rayon and nylon. It is used to prepare what, rayon and nylon. Rayon and nylon. And this is sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide mixture. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide mixture is used to prepare medicines. So it is, these are what used to prepare what, in medicines. So this is what about the uses of what, sodium hydroxide. These are the uses of sodium hydroxide. Next, uses of calcium hydroxide. Uses of what, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is used in whitewashing. It is used in what, whitewashing. Whitewashing means what, color to the what, walls of the outer walls of that what, houses. We are used what, calcium hydroxide, lime water to what, color the outer walls of what, houses. Now in olden days, inner walls also we are what, colored those by using of what, this lime water. But nowadays we are using different coloring materials. And calcium hydroxide is used to removing of hair from animal skin. Removing of what, hair from animal skin. From what, animal skin. So where we are used this process, so in what, skin industries, in skin industries or in tanning process, what will happen, sir? We added what, calcium hydroxide in order to remove the what, dead animals skin, hair of what, dead animals. So we are used to remove what, hair from what, animal skin. And it is used to prepare bleaching powder. It is used to prepare what, bleaching powder. Next one, the main important what, what, this milk of magnesia. This magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia is used in what, antacid tablet. Antacid what, tablet, and as well as what, it is used in what, pastes. It is used in what, pastes. That means what, the daily what, toothpaste what we are using, this is what, this contains what, magnesium hydroxide. So this is the what, use of what, magnesium hydroxide. One more chemical, aluminum hydroxide. This aluminum hydroxide is used as what? Antacid. This aluminum hydroxide is used as antacid, but in our 10th standard we have what? This milk of magnesium is used as what? Antacid tablet. Antacid tablet. So these are the what about the uses of what? Bases. Uses of bases. So this is the what about the concept related to what? Uses of acids and uses of bases. Uses of acids and uses of bases.